Welcome back. Now, one of the key features with Canva for Work is that you can create content with a transparent background. So for example, if we were to choose this format and then we were to choose a specific template, you'll notice there that we have a background. Now, one of the things that we can then do is we can then download this content, and we can go to our left side menu and we'll then click the download link. And then you'll notice here that what we can do with this image is we can tick off this box. That box has the crown around it, which means that it's part of the Canva for Work program. And to do this, we can then use the PNG file in order to download this image with the transparent background. So we'll click download. Canva will then prepare the design. We'll then get our design on our hard drive, and we can then analyze the image. And you'll notice here that the image no longer has the background within it. And it's visible when you compare it to this image on our canvas. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.